Yo, what is up, guys? It's your man, A to the J, man. I got a special delivery right here, man. You know what I'm saying? FedEx had to have a signature delivery for this package right here. And we're gonna do an unboxing, man. All right, man. Unboxing with your boy, AJ, man. Can y'all guess what's inside this bad boy? All right, that's what's inside, man. We're gonna keep on looking, keep on looking. Oh. All right, it came with an appraisal. Your boy Jizzle, man. Let me know if y'all know what crown this is. Ooh! All right, guys. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Boom. That boy, Jizzle ain't playing no games. 36mm Datejust bust down. Bust down in the box. All right, tell me what y'all think about it, man. I'm saying bust all the way down. Bust down rolling, man. Shout out to Brilliant Timepieces, man. You know what I'm saying? They hooked me up with a nice watch. They serviced it and everything. Came in a box with an appraisal. Let's open up this appraisal, see what they say. See that? Go to that website right there. Brilliant Timepiece. Y'all see that? Brilliant Timepiece. Federal Appraisal Association. Estimate appraisal replacement value 19.5. VS2 SI diamonds. 36mm. Bust down for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta treat yourself with the same love and respect that you be trying to give everyone else. You feel what I'm saying? You gotta spoil yourself sometime, man. Boy Jizzle, man. I'm about to take it off that tripod so we can see, take a closer look. .36mm Datejust. Iced out. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Tell me what y'all think down in the comments below. On the wrist, man. I gotta go resize this thing right here. Middle of the summer, still freezing, baby. Your boy Jizzle, man. Middle of the summer, still freezing, baby. Believe me, baby. Boy, A Jeezy, man. You already know what the business is, man. I'm finna go get this thing resized real quick, you know what I'm saying? But I had to do a little unboxing for my people out there, you know what I'm saying? Everybody that always follow me, watch me. Man, I hope you like this video, man. Bust down Rolly, man. 36mm. Datejust, baby. Holla at your boy. Jizzle, baby.